Best deals.
1. Steamer pot. Works seamlessly on induction, gas stoves, and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Premium stainless steel body resists rust, dents, and scratches while adding a refined touch to your cookware set. Preserve nutrients and flavors while steaming idlis, momes, dumplings, pasta, biryani, and vegetables. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Container. Features a secure, airtight steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, contaminants, and odors from affecting your stored items. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for long-term use. The sleek and space-efficient capsule shape allows for easy stacking and organization. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bag. They are practical, space-saving solutions for keeping food fresh. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Saucepan. Features 3 bonded layers, stainless steel on the outside and inside, with an aluminum core, ensuring even heat distribution for consistent cooking and enhanced durability for long-lasting performance. Ideal for boiling milk, making tea, simmering sauces, preparing soups, or reheating leftovers with ease. Enjoy nutritious meals with reduced oil use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tea infuser. Made with 100% premium quality brass, this tea infuser adds a regal, vintage touch to your daily tea ritual. Brass offers a warm golden hue and a traditional feel that enhances your tea drinking experience. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Chopper. Adjustable speed control switch. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference, low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra-sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs, and making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable lid for seamless chopping. The chopper can be easily disassembled for thorough cleaning. The BPA-free tool features a simple eco-friendly design for ease of use. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Cut down your food prep time, and chop and mix everything with the help of this innovative food processor in a few seconds. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cooker. Crafted with thick, high-grade stainless steel for superior heat retention, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance, fluffy idlis every time. Ergonomic design choices opt for the traditional stand or knob-equipped plates for effortless handling, catering to your comfort and cooking style. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coconut scraper. Is constructed using stainless steel, ensuring its longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The scraper is designed with user comfort in mind. The scraper comes with a rotatable handle with a comfortable grip, allowing for easy and efficient scraping of coconuts without straining your hands or wrists. The scraper is equipped with sharp and sturdy blades specifically designed for scraping coconuts. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Masala Dabba. Aesthetically designed wire stand which holds all the containers makes the product look stylish. Made of high-quality stainless steel, rust-proof, durable for daily use, containers which are suitable for storing small quantity of mukhwas, dry fruit, canisters are great for storing tea, coffee, spices and other kitchen staples. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Oil pourer. Dispenser is made of food-grade, thickened 304 stainless steel, providing a sturdy and unbreakable design for long-lasting use. The handle gives an easy gripping and handling that prevents slipping. Anti-drip designing prevents leakages, keeping the container clean and dry. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tadka pan. Non-stick surface ensures quick and easy cooking, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Crafted from high-quality iron. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tope set. Built with food-grade 304 stainless steel and a thick aluminum core for even heat distribution, durability, and hotspot prevention. 100% non-toxic stainless steel that's non-reactive and compatible with all cooktops, induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Garlic grater. Perfect for grating ginger, garlic, cheese, vegetables, fruits, and spices, an essential everyday kitchen helper. Made from durable, food-safe ceramic with sharp grating teeth for efficient results without altering taste. Small 11 cm size is easy to hold, store, and use, ideal for quick prep and small portions. Smooth porcelain prevents food buildup and bacterial growth. Simply rinse or toss in the dishwasher after use, designed for precise and efficient food prep. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength for everyday kitchen use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Brush. 18 inches wide coverage and exceptional durability. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Basket. Crafted using high-quality, food-safe stainless steel, this 12-inch mesh basket is built to last. It is rust-resistant, corrosion-free, and highly durable, making it ideal for daily use in the kitchen or dining space. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Shelf. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Paneer Maker. Is designed to help you create perfect homemade paneer every time. It is crafted with efficiency and convenience in mind. It features an efficient paneer pressing mechanism that ensures your paneer maintains a consistent texture and firmness, offering you restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. Made from non-reactive stainless steel, this paneer maker is not only health-friendly but also durable and long-lasting. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Basket. Effortlessly organize kitchen essentials with this versatile storage basket, featuring a compact design and convenient wheels for easy access under sinks or in cabinets. Simplify meal prep by keeping utensils, pots, and spice jars neatly organized and within reach. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Saucepan. Includes a stainless steel steamer insert, perfect for steaming vegetables, pasta, dumplings, or reheating food, offering versatile cooking options. The tempered glass lid lets you monitor your food while cooking, maintaining moisture and flavor with a built-in steam release vent. Designed with a comfortable, cool touch wooden handle, the small pot ensures safe handling and easy pouring while cooking tea, soup, or pasta. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Frying pan. Crafted with tri-ply technology, stainless steel inner layer, aluminum core, and stainless steel outer layer for even heat distribution and superior durability. Naturally non-stick with proper seasoning and use, free from chemical coatings, making it safe for everyday cooking. Works perfectly on induction, gas, and electric stoves for versatile kitchen use. Built for convenience and durability, safe for metal utensils and easy to clean in the dishwasher. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cold press juicer. Minimal heat generation during juicing. This advanced cold press juicer uses a slow cold press mechanism that prevents oxidation, helping retain essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. The result is a higher juice yield with rich flavor. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Appam pan. Pure iron ore material heats quickly and also retains heat for longer, saving cooking gas. Heavy gauge construction for extra thickness and durability. Adds an authentic and rustic flavor to your preparation. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Warmer. Provides a safer and more efficient heating experience with its top heating system. In just 1 hour, heat up to 6 pieces of clothing quickly and evenly. Say goodbye to damp clothes, even during the rainy season. Operating at a soft 60 degrees breeze, this clothes warmer ensures your delicate clothes, whether it's underwear, shirts, or sweaters, are treated with care. It fits seamlessly into a busy lifestyle, offering efficient warmth wherever you are. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Trash bin. Install it the way that fits your routine. You can hang the dustbin inside the cabinet to keep it hidden, outside the cabinet for quick access while cooking, mount it on the wall with the included self-adhesive hook, or simply place it on the floor or counter. Moms love the flexibility to use it in the kitchen, bathroom, or even in kids' rooms without needing any tools or drilling. Whether your hands are full or you're multitasking, this feature is a lifesaver for moms managing home and kids at the same time. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Kettle. Equip your inner barista with this pour-over coffee kettle. Use this gooseneck kettle to make delicious pour-over coffee in your home like a pro. It provides a perfect temperature. Water that is too hot will burn your coffee. If it is too cold, you won't extract the full consistency of the beans. Our stainless kettle comes with an auto temperature gauge which allows you to brew your pour-over coffee at the optimal temperature. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Lunch box. Works great for takeaway meals as it keeps food hot or cold depending on the contents. Every preserver is individually insulated, so you can carry your favorite hot and cold dishes together and enjoy them the way they are meant to be. Preserve offers you endless flexibility. When you are in the mood for a one-pot meal like congee, pulao or khichdi, just carry one jar. On days when you want to share or indulge, carry more. Made of high-quality materials for consumer foodware. The plastic components are made with safe biopolyester that is known to have high chemical and stain resistance. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Ceiling duster. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, unlike regular dusters, each of the 1 microfiber duster can absorb dust like a magnet, can be bent to any degree, and the duster static absorbs dust, pollen and hairs with ease. The fluffy microfiber and the soft rubber on the top guarantees no scratches to the surface of sofa, furniture, or wall during cleaning. The dust flexibly, efficient and labor-saving, make housework more easier. New upgrade extendable duster has the ability to extend up to a whopping 100 inches. Say goodbye to chairs and dangerous ladders. The feather dusters can help you save clean everywhere you want and could be shortened to 30 inches when needed for storage, with a short handle which more convenient for your daily cleaning work. With a 360-degree microfiber feather duster and a protective soft cover. The handle and brush head of the duster are detachable, makes it easy for maintenance. Remove the head after use and wash with warm water. Hang it at dry and ventilated place to make it fluffy for next use. Just replace the cleaning head if you need to use the other duster and you are good to go. Outstanding dust absorption, and it can be used wet or dry, which is machine or hand washable. Very convenient and durable. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Bread maker. A convenient and hygienic way to prepare dough for puris and rotis, chapatis and fresh bread for your snack time. This electric dough maker has one-touch operation and detachable components make mixing and kneading easy. You can use any kind of flour for preparing fresh and healthy bread. Not only plain and simple bread, but various ingredients can also be added to personalize flavors. Bread maker comes with 19 program menus, so you can prepare different types of chapati in puri atta, cake, jam, pizza dough, sticky rice. The silver grey machine has an amazing 550 W power. It bakes the bread in even textures and prevents the loss of nutrients. It has 2 loaf sizes options with 3 crust color choices for you to make the best bread according to your taste. It has a fruit and nut dispenser that releases the nuts at the optimum time for the best results. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Kulfi molds. You don't need an ice cream making machine to prepare frozen ice cream. It is very easy to making ice cream. Just fill the molds, maker with the required ingredients and keep it in the freezer. This mold maker prepares 8 key type ice candies, creams at a time, with 100% food grade and BPA free material. Because for us, your health is the most important requirement. This feature also helps reduce waste with an eco-friendly, reusable design. Attractive colors. It can be used over and over again to make all natural large frozen treats. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric lunch box. You can enjoy warm, fresh, home-cooked meals right at your desk, ensuring your lunch breaks are relaxing and satisfying. Designed with advanced PTC heating technology, it warms your food evenly in just 25 to 35 minutes, allowing you to utilize your entire lunch break for yourself instead of waiting for a microwave. Carry a full Indian meal with rice, dal, sabzi, and chapati conveniently. Its spacious stainless steel container ensures each dish retains its flavor without mixing, keeping your meals fresh, hygienic and delicious. Never worry about messy spills in your office bag again. The securely sealed lid with silicone gasket prevents any leakage, making it perfect for daily commutes, long travel, or carrying liquid dishes like curries and dals confidently. Built with premium food-grade stainless steel, it keeps your food hygienic, odor-free, and safe from harmful chemicals, ensuring your health is never compromised even during your busiest days. Heats food super fast. Perfect electric lunch box for office breaks and busy schedules. 360 degrees steam circulation warms evenly, keeps food moist, and delivers fresh taste every time. Ideal for dal rice, sabzi roti, pulao, khichdi, noodles, oats, and gravies. 304 grade sealed bowls prevent spills, carry soups, curries, and liquid meals safely. Make masala oats, boiled eggs, sprouts, steamed veggies, and quick meals in under 20 minutes. Heat-resistant outer body with silicone handle makes it perfect for travel, hostel, and office use. A modern heated lunch box solution for professionals, students, and everyday tiffin users. A thoughtful and practical gift for men, women, boys, girls, students, teachers, husbands, wives, managers, and working professionals, ideal for birthdays, office gifting, travel essentials, and daily lunch needs. Features advanced quick heating technology paired with premium stainless steel lunch box for saving time and ensuring hot food. Electric tiffin box steel has built-in temperature control, prevents overheating of food, and features auto shut-off for safe, worry-free use. Features a detachable cord for neat storage and easy portability, keeping lunch box organized and travel-friendly. Reheat meals in 15 minutes right at your desk without needing a microwave, making lunchtime quick and hassle-free. Product link is given in the 31st link.